What if I told you the next viral video trend on YouTube isn't about people, celebrities, or even gaming? It's about this. Right now, micro wildlife POV videos are absolutely exploding. Channels blowing up overnight, millions of views, and almost nobody knows how they're made. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them using zero paid tools, not $1, created entirely with free AI. I'm dropping a master prompt today, completely free, linked in the description. It's called the Respawn Room Micro Wildlife POV Documentation System. One prompt, unlimited videos. You could make a spider video today, a termite video tomorrow, a beetle video next week, all from the same prompt. Go grab it now. Seriously, pause the video and copy the whole thing. Don't skim it. Once you've got it, head to ChatGPT free version, no subscription needed. Paste the prompt in and watch what happens. It instantly generates a list of 25 insects and small animals you can create videos about. Pick anyone. Or here's the cool part, just type any insect that isn't on the list. Try it with ants. Try it with centipedes. It doesn't matter. It just works. For this tutorial, I'll type 12, and just like that, ChatGPT spits out one image prompt and 5 motion prompts. These are your building blocks. Now here's where it gets wild. Take that image prompt over to Grok AI free, no account tricks needed. Go to Grok Imagine, hit image, set the ratio to 9:16, paste your prompt, and generate. What comes back is not what you'd expect from a free tool. It's ultra detailed. Pick your favorite frame. Now, this is the part people don't realize is even possible. Click the edit icon on your image and hit Make Video. Go back to ChatGPT, copy motion prompt 1, paste it in, generate. You've just created your first AI wildlife clip. If you don't love it, regenerate. No limits. Once you've got a clip, you download it, rename it Clip 1, screenshot the very last frame of that video. Crop it to 9:16. That becomes your next starting image. Upload it back to Grok. Paste motion, prompt 2, generate. Repeat this 5 times and every clip flows seamlessly into the next, like a real documentary camera following a real creature through a real world. When you've got all 5 clips, drop them into any free editor, arrange them in order, and export. That's it. A complete, cinematic, viral-ready micro wildlife video, built from scratch for free in one sitting. This trend is right now. Don't be the person who watches it blow up and wishes they'd started sooner. Links in the description. Go make your first one. I'll see you in the next video.